We are live May 13th. 8:30 CPI, we ripped up. We kind of passed some structured highs right here, so we actually are above this channel, so that actually is close to our 8:30 open to 2993.75. But let's go over our levels. Pre-highs 21063.5, 8:30 open 2993.75, midnight open 2845, and pre-market lows 2817.5. Narrative for today. um at the moment for power of 3, it looks like it does want to pull back at least to the midnight open. But if not, uh, there's no other as a part B. It can definitely just continue to rip up higher and continue on. Doesn't need a significant pullback, so it can go either way. Let's get the brush. It can just chop sideways, it could just go like that, but ideally it goes something like that and then it rips back up. So many different situations, but we'll be prepared. We know that there are levels above serving as resistance levels, and it is definitely on a bull trend. So if you take any shorts, it's definitely a scalp at the moment. But yeah, looking the next levels I'm looking at in terms of technicals. If I go on the bigger time frame, whoops, aside from this key level at 2537.5, all-time highs looks like it's coming next. These zones underneath here where they wick between 21026 to 21515 do look like maybe potential zones that it can bounce off of, but we'll have to see day by day. So I'm definitely going to have double position size if it breaks above pre-market highs. That's definitely on a strong bull trend. It did have the narrative of being bullish, but right now it's breaking above CPI news, and definitely it's going to be ripping up. Of course, if it pulls straight back down, we'll take our loss. We have it defined. We're on the right side of the V. We have a lot of different points for us to have a proper risk management. Yep, great. So if it closes above here, which is about to do, we're waiting for the pullback. But if it fades pre-market high levels before 10 and it's after 10 a.m., we will be looking for a potential scalp short. waiting for a pullback long. If it continues to respect this level, I'm going to be entering long on the next green candle up. Okay. I'm in.
Order filled.
I'm in. Let's have stop loss right here. And we'll have take profit. We'll have take profit at a reasonable level. Okay. That's the rip we're looking for. That's the rip we're looking for. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, this is 1R. I definitely think it can hit. It's about 60 more points away. It can definitely hit 3R. Trend is in our favor. Momentum is in our favor. I think this could be a 5R trade, but we're not greedy. We shall see. Oh yeah. Rip. Rip. I think this is the pullback entry for the orb strategy, so I might have a double position. Oh, rip. Rip. About 50 more points before I take profit here. Man, if it's still ripping, I might move my take profit even higher and take a core position off at 3R, leave it at break even. But let's see what happens. And Q and ES isn't super strong, but oh yeah, rip up, rip up. Also reached the point in trading where even though I'm celebrating the wins and It does sting a little when we see the losses. Apart from scalping, when I'm in the breakout trades, you just let it do its thing. It's breaking out, price will go up and down, turn around. So nothing micromanaging about breakouts, at least in my style of trading, at least. We have approached 2R. Excellent. So, oh man, I think it's gonna just rip up. So here's what I'm thinking about doing right now. If it hits 30, 21, 1. Here's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to sell 2 at my current take profit, and then after I sell 2 here, I'm going to move up my take profit even higher. It just looks like it wants to go. Even though right now, okay, closer to 1%. Let's see. If it gets to 40, I'm going to implement my new take profits. Then sit it a little bit higher. And put the others, I'm going to take off 2/3 of my position. Typically I'm an all or nothing trader, but I'm getting used to holding my take profits for longer. Getting used to obey my strategy and not strategy hop. I feel like this can go to 4 or 5 R's, so I'm gonna have my next take profit after I calculate it. I'm gonna move it up a little bit. Flirting at 2R. I definitely think it can go a little bit higher, especially with this break retest pre-market highs. Oh, perfect. Let's see where. So my nice, still 0.82, not 1%. Still, my current decisions are whether or not I should move my take profit even higher. Right now, the orb strategy for 15 minutes. They're waiting for the pullback entry. Not sure if they're gonna get it. In my strategy, I trade both orb and pre-market high break retests, which happened here, so almost, but this one, and then I took the entry here. Excellent, excellent. Oh, rip, 20 more points, 25 more points. Yeah. Woohoo. It's sending it. Or do I take this base hit and not be so greedy? Either way, I think I'm in an excellent position, a win-win. I'm debating whether or not how much should I extract profits from this market. Oh, it's definitely gonna hit. It already hit 21 140. It's gonna do it again, but yep, great. Now it just needs 20 more points. Oh, rip up. Let's see where it is now. Okay, 0.9%. It can definitely go to 1%. You know what? Oh, rip. I'm just gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep the 3R. Nothing about it says it wants to pull back. And I already absolutely stuck to my trading plan here in terms of the pattern. So we'll take the win. 3R. I know it wants to continue ripping up, but well, I'll take what the market gives me. Another solid green bar up, and I think it can still go more. Now 20 more points. Yep. Oh yeah. Rip, go. Yep, nothing about it says it wants to pull back. Maybe here, 21 120. But here's some small people taking profit. 10:05 candle. If it dips down even below, maybe we'll have a re-entry, but man, what a winner. Yeah. Oh, ripping up again. Ripping up again. Yeah, all or nothing. If it really comes all the way back down to tag me, bad beat. It's a bad beat. but this one definitely feels like it wants to keep going up. Oh, rip! 21,150. Did it hit that actually? 21,485, 21,4. 21,140. Oh, rip! Up we go. Keep going. Keep going. 10 more points. Yeah, yeah. 9 more points.
Order filled.
Absolutely fantastic. 3R. Absolutely fantastic. And we're looking for a pullback long. Let's channel this TP. 1007. Technically, I'm done for today. We had a absolutely monster move. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. No mean reversion today. Oh my gosh. Yep, this is the feeling. This is the feeling. Great, fantastic. I mean, is there any possibility we have something like that? Maybe that's more probable. Oh man, love that. And I entered beautifully on this candle. 945. Yeah, right here, 953. This could have been one, but um, I had a way better entry here in terms of what the price action showed me, and it eventually developed and it turned even better. taking J done trades, enter the scalp here. I don't like how this 5 minute candle is forming a doji in addition to the shallow pullback. I guess in any of these pullbacks, you just buy and rip, buy and rip. I could try something here, but oh man, I just don't like how that looks. I don't like it. Oh man, decreasing volume and no equal highs. It actually did not take the high in the terms of the 5 minute. So could we see a scalp short? Hopefully not. Oh man, I really want to go short so bad, but I've been burned in the past for predicting a move like that. Yep, and even though it looks like it wants, there's on the 14-3 divergence, it looks like it wants to come down, but it keeps ripping. Oh man, I really want to short this. I really want to short this. But this aggressive 1 minute bar, especially on the 5 minute as well, it's oh man, too much volume. You just cannot short a move like this. The 5 minute tells me to stay away. I'm gonna be patient. Yep, that's why I didn't want to go short, even though it was still climbing up on the 5 minute. It dissuaded me. Previous back test it dissuaded me. We're waiting for a genuine pullback to. We had multiple entries there. Greg from J Dunn Trades took the trade here on the logs. Beautiful, by the way, from 65 to, oh man, 60 points there. Even if you enter here at 70 to 240, 70 points for what? For a 20 point, another 3R trade. Absolutely beautiful on the 1 minute at least. More pullback. No. More pullback potential entries. This looks like an entry to me again. Looking like one of those days, and you buy all the pullbacks. Okay, definitely interested in taking a scalp here. Oh man, yeah, 20 points. Depending on this candle close. Okay, never mind. I was gonna take one here, a 10 point give or take. We could do one contract. Playing with my profits at the moment based on price action. Oh man, a lot of sellers. Okay. I thought it would have been more aggressively defended. Okay, I guess not. Okay. I think if it breaks above 2120, I can come back in for a scalp, but Stop loss would be 200.75. Just want to see what this candle does. I think it already fulfilled the 1 minute umbrella. Momentum's on my side. Definitely not going short. If anything, entries to go long. Okay. Oh man, pushing the price down. Okay. Super shallow sellers. Very, very shallow. Yep. Just a few people taking profits. Still incredibly bullish. Still incredibly bullish. Sellers are trying to push it down, but I don't think it's going to get it. Okay, alright, still trying to push it down. Let's watch.
Order filled.
We're in for a scalp. We're in for a scalp. It has fulfilled. This has fulfilled it. Okay.
Order filled.
In the 5 minute, looks like people are taking profit. This candle here at 10.25. It's gonna push back up. I think this was the scalp I was looking for. Yeah, it left me. Just took out my stop. Well, bam. Now it's gonna rip back up. Oh well. Alright, it's 10:32. Already have a mega winner. So I'm gonna call it for today. I definitely feel that it wants to keep on ripping higher. But would this be the pullback? Right now it's forming a nice little channel. Anything can happen, of course, but based on what has happened in the last hour, definitely feel like this is a moment where it wants to keep on ripping, but it's just going a little bit slow. Maybe it's going to take out the temporary lows here, the intra lows. That's what it should do. For a healthy motion, it's going to come back down and then, well, bam, rip up high. Okay, no problem. Alright, hope everyone has a good Tuesday trading session. We definitely hit pre-market break retest of pre-market highs. Excellent runner. Definitely fits the pattern very nicely. It was also with CPI news, so put that in the journal. But I'll catch you guys in the next trading session.